In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create CSS code in Wix Studio. This process will empower you to customize your website beyond the basic design options, giving you full control over the look and feel of your pages. So let's dive straight in. First things first, to start working with CSS in Wix Studio, you need to enable developer mode. This might sound a tad technical, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Begin by clicking on the code icon in the editor. This icon looks like a pair of curly braces, often depicted as a small tal symbol. Once you've spotted it, give it a click and then select the Start Coding option. Doing so will set up the developer mode environment, where you can effortlessly manage and edit code for your site. With developer mode successfully activated, it's time to locate the CSS section in the code panel. You'll find this inside the code panel, which should now be visible in the editor interface. There, you'll notice several tabs, one of which is labeled CSS. Click on this tab, and you'll be guided to an area dedicated to cascading style sheets, or CSS as it's commonly known. This is essentially the styling part of your site's coding. Within the code panel's CSS section, you'll come across an option to add a new file labeled as global.css. This global.css file is where you will input all your custom CSS code. It's important to use this file because it ensures your styles are applied across your entire site uniformly. To add a global.css file, there should be a prompt or button that allows you to create new files. Locate it, click, and choose to create this particular file. Now, you're all set to start crafting your own CSS code. Remember, CSS is all about controlling the presentation of your HTML elements. You can change colors, fonts, spacing, and much more. As you write your code, make sure to save your changes often to avoid losing any work. An added tip is to preview your site regularly. This helps you ensure your styles are rendering correctly and adhering to your vision. And there you have it, a concise and comprehensive guide to manually creating CSS code in Wix Studio. By mastering these steps, you're not only enhancing your design skills, but also making your website more unique and tailored to your brand's identity. With practice, you'll find that implementing custom styling becomes second nature, opening up a world of possibilities for your web projects. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!